This video, we are going to see about the topology in computer networks. Topology is nothing but it defines the structure of networks, how all the devices are interconnected to each other. Here, components means that hardware, device, and types of topology. Bus topology, star topology, ring topology, point-to-point topology, tree, mesh, and hybrid topology. Point-to-point topology means one device to another device directly connected. A device is nothing but as a PC, personal computer, laptop, router, or hub. It's mainly used in the telecommunication systems. Only two nodes only will be involved, not more than two. That is a point to point. And next bus topology here. The computers are connected with a single cable. It's called a backbone. And bus topology advantages are when you have that minimum number of system, it works well, and it is very easiest network. That's why it's called a resilient architecture also, and it requires very less cable also compared to the star topology, and it is easy to extend more computers by joining the cable with repeater or any other connected devices. And drawbacks or it's not suitable for a large network, and if the networks fail means very difficult to identify the particular problems where the problems occurs. Identification is very difficult, and adding the new devices also difficult. Suppose if we add the devices, it makes slow down the network, and if your main the backbone cable is damaged, then entire network will be fail or split into two. And reconnections also. And star topology here, every the computers connected with the central devices. Central device may be a hub switch or any other PC server, we can say server. So this is star topology. The central device only acts as a server, and the remaining devices, what are the devices connected to the central devices, are called a. And advantages of star topology. So very easy to add another computer in the network. If one computer is failed, the other computers will not be affected. It will work normally and is less expensive compared than mesh topology. And drawbacks are the central one is central server will be devices fail. The performance of others will be affected, and it requires a long cable length. And next, circular or ring topology. So here one computer is connected with that, another look like a circular shape, and every packet means nothing but informations in bits. It will be circulated till reaches is the final destination, and it used both local area network and wide area network setups. Mainly the ring topology used in school, offices, and small buildings. And advantages of ring topology means all the data are flow in only one directions only. So the collision packet collision will not be occurred because it will go one way only. And server is not needed for this to control all the system. And data will be transferred between that workstations nodes at high speed. So speed is will be high, and length cable length also very short, and No wiring closer space is required because of the single cable only we are connected, so no wiring is needed. And it is very slower than star topology, and the entire network will be foiled if once is shut down, because first system to fourth system you want to send the message means, so suppose the second system is affected, then the problem will occur, right? So do not go to the fourth systems. And finding difficult any systems problem occur means it's very difficult to diagnose the fault, and reconfiguration is very difficult. And here that which hardware we are going to use for connect the each node in the ring topology, it will be very expensive than other hub switches. Is tree topologies. So tree topology, number of star topology connected using the bus, that is a central backbone cable, that is a tree topology. So the main cables and branches star topologies look like a tree. It's also topology, and it combines the characteristics of bus topology and star topology. So it look like a hierarchical from main root and then lot of branches leaf node. So the topmost node is as a root, and other source called as a descendant as the child nodes. So it will perform like the parent child. Advantages is it's very possible expansion of that network, that is extensions is very easiest one, and error correction directions also very easiest one. If one segment, the one ring is topologist fail means no problem, it will not affect the other segment. And drawbacks, or it is believed on that main bus cable only, the main backbone cable. So if it is breakdown, so entire network will be fail. And if you are adding more segments means, and maintenance become very difficult. And scalability of that tree topology is based on the cable, which cable we are using, based on that scalability will be and mesh topology means here that separate cable will be used to connect each devices to every other devices. One is connected with all other devices. You can check this. See this diagram. And the mesh topology's advantages are it will avoid the traffic even though it is connected one to another, all other nodes. It avoid the traffics to share the data. In one link is failure, actually considered five system. So five system also connected each other, one on each other. Suppose the first system is failure, nothing will problem. Rest of the network will be work. Remaining four system will work. And very easy to detect the problems where the problem is occurred. Easily we can identify. And drawback, main drawback here, lot of cables are required, and so if we use a lot of cable means cost also will be high, and also it makes more. And hybrid topology means combination of any two or more topology, that is called a hybrid. So in this example, hybrid star ring bus together is connected, three topologies are